Okay, y'all, we're starting off putting our hair up, getting it out of our face so we can wash this beautiful face. I'm not gonna lie, I look a little rough, but you know, it's been a rough couple of days. And this video was actually filmed months back, so yeah. So that's about it. Really light, really quick. I'm about to brush my teeth, but you guys don't want to see that, right? So good night to all you beautiful people. Poetic justice in this bitch. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get it. Yeah.
I got the switch up. Hit it with a 1-2.